Are you over 40 and thinking about starting an online business? Are you worried that technology might be too complicated or that you're too late to the game? Well, you're in the right place because today we're diving into how AI is not just a buzzword, but a powerful tool that can help you kickstart your online income stream, even if you're completely new to the digital world. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that motivates me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Well, let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to use AI for content creation without the overwhelm. Creating content can be daunting, especially when you're starting from scratch. AI-powered tools like ChatGPT, Gemini or Jasper can help you generate blog posts, social media captions or even video scripts. Imagine needing an article on a specific topic. You can input your idea and in just a few seconds you have a draft ready for some editing. This not only saves you a lot of time but also eliminates the fear of staring at a blank page. AI-generated content can be an excellent starting point. Even if you're not confident in your writing skills, you can tweak and personalize the AI's output to match your voice, making the process far less intimidating. For instance, a beginner in affiliate marketing could use AI to create product descriptions or email newsletters, turning what could have been hours of work into just a few minutes. AI tools often have templates specifically designed for different niches like e-commerce, personal branding, or even coaching. This means you can leverage tried and tested frameworks that really work, even if you don't have a clue where to actually begin. The AI does the heavy lifting while you fine-tune the details. No need for an English degree, just your unique perspective. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to master customer service with AI chatbots. Customer service can make or break an online business, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming or even costly. AI chatbots like ManyChat or Drift can handle initial customer inquiries, recommend products and even guide visitors to the right resources. These bots are like having a virtual assistant who never sleeps, and they're perfect for beginners who want to provide top-notch service without hiring extra help. For instance, if you're starting a dropshipping business, an AI chatbot can answer questions about shipping times, return policies, or even product details, all based on information you've programmed in. This makes your business appear highly responsive, and professional, even if it's just you running the show behind the scenes. Plus, chatbots learn over time. As you gather more customer data, you can tweak the bot's responses to better meet your audience's needs. This makes AI not just a tool for efficiency, but also a way to continually improve your customer experience, which is critical when you're aiming to grow your business after 40. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to leverage AI for market research and trend analysis. Understanding what your market wants is crucial, but traditional market research can be very time consuming and very costly. AI tools like Google Trends, Answer the Public or SEMrush provide real-time insights into what people are searching for online, allowing you to spot trends before they become mainstream. Imagine finding out that a certain type of home exercise gear is about to become very popular. You could position yourself as an affiliate marketer or create related digital products just in time. AI can analyze vast amounts of data very quickly, identifying patterns and potential gaps in the market that you can exploit. For example, if you notice an uptick in searches for work from home accessories, you can start curating products or content around that niche immediately. This quick adaptability is often what separates successful entrepreneurs from the rest. It's also a great confidence booster for beginners. Knowing you're making data-driven decisions rather than guessing can help you alleviate the fear of failure. You're not just gambling on a hunch, you're acting on solid data that AI has parsed for you, making your business decisions smarter and more calculated. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to use AI-powered design tools for online branding. Branding can feel intimidating, especially if you don't have design skills. But AI tools like Canva's AI suggestions, Logo Maker make the process very simple and even fun. These tools can generate logos, social media graphics and website layouts with just a few clicks, and you can customize them easily to fit your brand's style. For instance, Canva's AI can suggest color palettes, fonts, and layouts that match your niche, giving your brand a cohesive and professional look right from the start. No need to hire an expensive designer. These tools are very budget friendly and user friendly. Perfect for beginners. Even a simple logo tweak can make your brand look much more credible and more memorable. The time saved on design can be used to focus on building your business, creating content, or connecting with your audience. And if you're over 40 and not super tech savvy, you'll find these tools are designed to be very initiative with no steep learning curve. AI puts professional branding within reach, no matter what your background is. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to automate repetitive tasks and save time. Repetitive tasks can eat away at your day, leaving you little time to focus on actually growing your business. AI tools like Zapier, IFTTT, or HubSpot's workflows allow you to automate routine processes like data entry, email responses, or even social media posting. This means less time spent on the mundane things and more on strategy and creativity. For example, if you're running an email marketing campaign, you can set up an AI-powered sequence that automatically sends follow-up emails based on user actions like clicking a link or making a purchase. It's like having an automated sales assistant working around the clock, ensuring no potential customer slips through the cracks. By automating you're effectively buying back your time, one of the most valuable assets for anyone just starting out, especially later in life. Instead of juggling endless tasks, you can simply focus on scaling your business or spending more time with your loved ones, knowing that the AI is taking care of the background work. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to enhance your social media presence with AI scheduling tools. Consistency is the key when building a social media presence, but keeping up with posts can be exhausting. AI scheduling tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, or Later can help you plan, schedule, and even suggest optimal post times for your content. This means your audience sees your posts when they're most active, which helps to increase engagement without you having to be online 24/7. For instance, if you're trying to grow a following on Instagram to promote your products and services, you can use AI to schedule posts in advance, analyze which types of content perform best, and even generate captions. This takes the guesswork out of social media management and allows you to focus on creating high quality content instead. The best part is that many of these tools provide analytics, showing you what's working and what's not. You can simply adjust your strategy based on real data, making your social media efforts far more effective and far less stressful. Even if you're over 40, you can still master the art of social media with the help of AI. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to use AI for time management and productivity boosts. Time management becomes increasingly crucial as you juggle responsibilities, and AI tools like Trello's, Butler, Notion's AI integrations, or Todoist can help streamline your daily tasks. These tools not only keep track of your to-do lists, but also suggest ways to optimize your workflow, making sure that you stay on track without feeling overwhelmed. For example, Trello's Butler can automate repetitive project management tasks, like moving cards or setting due dates, while Notion's AI can summarize meeting notes or generate checklists based on your project needs. Imagine starting your day with a dashboard that tells you exactly what needs to be done and in what order. Talk about reducing your stress. Using these AI productivity tools helps you to maintain focus and accountability. You'll be able to prioritize tasks, set realistic goals, and make progress faster. This is especially valuable for beginners as it keeps you motivated and less likely to abandon your new business venture due to feeling disorganized or even behind. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to personalize marketing with AI-powered email campaigns. Email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to connect with your audience, and AI can take it to the next level by personalizing each message. Tools like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign Use AI to analyze user behavior and tailor emails to individual preferences, boosting your open rates and conversions. Let's say you run an online store. AI can segment your email list based on purchase history, engagement, or even predicted future behavior. This allows you to send personalized product recommendations, special offers, or content that's highly relevant to each subscriber. It's like having a personal shopper for your audience, keeping them engaged and eager to see what you'll offer next. These personalized touches can make your brand feel more human and connected, even if it's just you running the show. For beginners over 40, this level of automation makes it possible to compete with larger companies without needing a massive marketing budget or a team of specialists. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is to utilize AI analytics for continuous improvement. AI analytics tools like Google Analytics, Hotjar, or even Facebook Insights provide deep insights into how your business is performing and where there's room for improvement. AI doesn't just collect data, it interprets it, showing you trends, customer behavior, and potential growth opportunities. For example, you can identify which content drives the most traffic to your website or which products are frequently abandoned in shopping carts. This information is invaluable, especially for those starting later in life who don't want to waste time on trial and error. By understanding what works and what doesn't, you can make strategic changes that have an immediate impact on your bottom line. AI analytics allows you to optimize every aspect of your business, from marketing to customer retention, making every action more intentional and more effective. Embracing AI analytics helps you to stay ahead of the competition. The learning curve isn't steep and the insights gained will help you grow confidently, knowing that every decision is backed by data. For anyone feeling uncertain about starting a business after 40, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is to use AI for video editing and content repurposing. Creating video content can be time consuming, but AI video editing tools like Descript, InVideo, or Pictory can make the process quick and very beginner friendly. These tools can automatically cut silences, suggest clips, and even create subtitles, turning a complex editing job into a simple drag and drop experience. If you're camera shy or new to video, you can use AI to create videos from text, turning your blog posts or scripts into engaging video content without stepping in front of a camera. For example, Descript's AI can transcribe your spoken words into text, allowing you to edit the video as easily as editing a Word document. If you need to trim filler words or cut mistakes, you just delete the unwanted text and the video adjusts automatically. This is perfect for beginners who want polished videos without needing advanced editing skills or expensive software. Repurposing content is another major benefit. You can take a single piece of content like a webinar, podcast, or blog post and use AI to break it into smaller videos, social media clips, or infographics. This means you can maximize your content's reach without constantly creating something new from scratch, giving you more visibility and engagement across multiple platforms. Okay, so there you have it, 10 powerful tips that you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.